Keeping millions informed, that's the business of broadcasting. But telling these stories during a pandemic is risky business. When the COVID-19 pandemic struck, places of work were turned into ghost towns. But in the newsroom, the show must go on. From those grafting behind the scenes to those out in the field, human interaction is unavoidable. While most people went into isolation during lockdown, Promise Mashaba remained in the trenches at work. She contracted COVID-19 and spent a month in ICU.
I don't go out in the field, but I interact with people. I work in studio where we are forced to have personnel because everybody has a different function. So we have title operators and so on. So we sit morally next to each other. So it's quite difficult. We need protection because we need to broadcast the news to the people. Not only that, we send or we give information to the public.
In the first 2 matches of the knockout round on Saturday,
journalists have been on the front lines, and telling stories takes teamwork.
To go out there in the field, face the people hands-on, head-on, be there on the field physically. You can't do a story virtually. You can't be interviewing people always via Zoom or via other platforms that are virtual. You have to be there physically.
SABC as a whole, especially in Land Record, we work with journalists and camera person. When they go out on the field, they get to be exposed to a lot of people. So those people, they don't know their status. So when they finish shooting, they come back to Land Record or SABC to ingest. So we get contact with them.
I'm actually scared. I'm really scared because here at work we use the same machines, the same computers, the same edit suite, the same mics, the same everything. We have to sanitize every time, and you will never know the previous person who was using the computer did sanitize or what.
Fear amongst journalists has heightened over the recent spike in daily COVID infections. The South African National Editors Forum says it continues to engage the government on vaccinations for journalists.
As the South African National Editors Forum, we have been engaging with government for quite a while now about journalists being vaccinated. We were assured that journalists will be part of phase 2 of the vaccination program. Sadly, there has been no response from the government. There has been no plan that has been communicated with us following that engagement to say that this is what journalists need to be included in the different phases of vaccination. We continue to appeal to our government to consider journalists, given the critical role that they play in making sure that there is communication around the pandemic. Every time journalists are going out to tell the stories that are COVID related or many other stories, they are putting their lives at risk.
Media people, in particular journalists and broadcasters, are frontline people. They are essential services. We believe that they should have been vaccinated a long time ago. In fact, first of all, before anyone else, as they are frontline workers together with medical people. We know of quite a number of broadcasters and journalists that has already died as a result of the COVID-19 infection, and that is something that must be stopped immediately.
Other African countries have already vaccinated their members of the press, but in South Africa, media workers are still in limbo. The next in line to get their jabs are law enforcement workers and those over 50. Mahlako Komane, SABC News, Johannesburg.